Hi kids, welcome to the craft station. I'm Jordan.
I'm Christine.
And I'm Sarah.
And we're going to be your leaders for this craft station.
Every day we are going to be making crafts that relate to the Bible story you learned in the Bible station.
In your kits, there's going to be a list of materials for each craft, so try and have everything ready before the video starts each day.
And some of your materials will be in a bag marked decorating materials, so make sure you get those ready too.
If you miss a step, don't worry. In each kit, there are also instructions for each craft, or you can pause the video.
We also have a special word to focus on and think about every day. So listen out for it and try and see how it relates to our craft.
And now we're going to start our crafts for day 1.
Today we are making these. What do you think these are? And how do you think this relates to the Bible story you learned today?
So this first craft is sunglasses. Today we learned about what happened to Paul on his way to Damascus. Do you remember what happened when the light flashed around him?
I do. Paul was blinded.
That's right. So today we're making sunglasses to remind us of Paul's blindness. God used Paul's blindness to change and transform him. And when he had faith in Jesus, Paul received salvation. So these sunglasses can remind you of Paul's salvation and how when he believed and trusted in God, he could see again.
We have a few different options of sunglasses you can make using the materials in your kit. So what I want you all to do is choose which one you want to make right now. If you have extra time or want to come back to this video later, you can make a different pair. So get ready to choose in 3, 2, 1.
I want to make this! For this first option, we need the paper with sunglasses shapes, scissors, glue or tape, and decorating materials. Since we have a few options for the sunglasses, if you choose this craft, please watch carefully all the instructions so you know what to do. Then, when the other option is being explained, you can make your sunglasses. First, we are going to start by cutting the sunglasses design into the design that you want. Then you can glue or tape the arms to the glasses. Once it is secure, you can decorate them. You can draw scales over the sunglasses to remember that the scales fell from Saul's eyes. You can draw eyes over the sunglasses to remember that when Saul had faith, he was able to see again. Or you can do anything you want. If you are making this option, you can do it while Christine explains the other option. Do you like my glasses?
Those look pretty cool, but I think I want to make this one.
Well, if you two are choosing those ones, I guess I'll make this one. They look pretty similar to yours though.
You're right. They actually have the same beginning steps. So if you're making either of these options, you can start following along right now.
For each of these options, you just need one piece of colored paper. Start by following the hands in this video. Start by folding these two corners together. It doesn't need to be super exact. Now we're going to fold this in half so it looks like this. Now open it up. Do you see these 3 folds where the line is below the sheet of paper? We need to change the line above the sheet of paper to below the sheet of paper. So we're going to fold it down and switch the fold. So now this paper looks like two mountain peaks. This is where the two origami designs are different. We're going to start with the small lens pair. We want to bring the longest side to a little before where the mountains meet. Make sure the center lines up. We put this a little lower because the paper will push up and we want to do this 2 more times. Make sure the middle crease lines up with the two mountains. Then you bend the arms at this point here, where the lens fold is, like this. Do the same on the other side. Then you can fold down the top of the mountain like this, so it's flat on both sides, and we're done.
Okay, now for the big lens glasses. So we want this paper to look like the two mountain peaks again. Start by folding these two corners together. It doesn't need to be super exact. Now we're going to fold it in half again. Next, we're going to open it up. And do you see how these 3 folds are different from this one? We want to switch them so they all look the same. And now we have the paper folded to make 2 mountains again. For this design, we want to bring the peaks of the 2 mountains to the longest side. Make sure the center lines up. Now flip it over, and we're going to put the long flat side a little lower than the short flat side, making sure the center still lines up. Make sure you don't fold the mountains yet. Next, we're going to open it up again. And we want to fold it so that the bottom line meets the middle line. Then we're going to take this corner and put it to the middle line. We're going to do the same on the other side. Now roll this up one more time. And then you can fold up the peaks of the mountains, just like the other design. You can also fold up the arms of the sunglasses like before. Now you can decorate your origami sunglasses however you want.
I decorated mine with eyes.
I decorated mine with scales.
I hope you enjoyed making our craft today, and it reminds you of the story of how Paul came to believe and trust that Jesus saved him from his sins. The bright light blinded him, and he needed to have faith to get his sight back.
Yeah, when I see these sunglasses, I'm going to remember how Paul was saved and how he received salvation. I can't wait to learn more at the next station. I hope you all had fun making these sunglasses, and we'll see you tomorrow!